Breakfast for me can oftentimes be a huge struggle, whether it's trying to work on the website, get a workout in, and also get the kids to school. It sometimes falls to the wayside. And breakfast is one of my favorite meals of all time because I'm obsessed with eggs. This avocado egg salad toast is perfect because you can pre-hard boil your eggs on the weekend. Keep them in the fridge and then just pull them out as you need. You can also double this recipe if one of your kids would like that for breakfast as well, or your spouse. And it's just absolutely delicious. So I'm going to show you how to make it.
Start with a hard-boiled egg and cut an avocado in half. Now I'm making one piece of toast, so I'm just going to use half of this avocado and wrap the other half in plastic wrap and put it back in the fridge for tomorrow. If you're going to make this for more than one person, you can use the whole avocado, and obviously you'll need another egg. Scoop out the inside into the bowl with the hard-boiled egg, and then you're going to use your fork and mash it all together. Sprinkle in some black pepper and a little bit of kosher salt. Mix that all together. Put the avocado mixture on top of a piece of toasted bread. And if I'm feeling super fancy that day, I'll sprinkle it with fresh chives.
It's delicious. You need to give this a try.